Breaking Disney news, Genie Plus is being replaced. Here's everything you need to know about the new system. It is now officially called Walt Disney World Lightning Lane. As expected, the prices are going way up, and for one person it will cost $100 per park per day for the new multi-pass. Disney will also accept Bitcoin as well as certain body parts for payment. Another big change is you can book Lightning Lane passes in advance. This is essentially FastPass Plus, but guests now have to pay. However, in order to make it fair, Disney will require guests to play online games in order to secure each pass. They will also monetize these games with ads to generate more money. Another unique feature are the single passes. These are the most in-demand rides and will only cost $50 per person per ride. The reason Disney is doing this is to continue to create a class divide inside their theme parks. In fact, management refers to guests that pay for Lightning Lane as haves and those that do not as have-nots. Overall, this new system is just as bad as the current one. For more on this, click the link in our bio or visit mousetrapnews.com.